Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC and look for high CPU or hung applications that lock Alt plus Tab. Once identified, end those processes, do not reboot yet. Next, end Explorer. EXE and restart it via File right arrow run new task right arrow Explorer. EXE to refresh the shell. Make sure overlays and capture software are closed because they often intercept Alt plus Tab. These quick steps reset the window manager and often restore Alt plus Tab immediately without a full restart. Once the shell is refreshed, check drivers and system integrity. Update your GPU driver from the vendor installer or device manager because a bad driver can freeze the task switcher. Next, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files that affect Alt plus Tab. If you use multiple displays, set a single primary monitor and disable scaling differences because mismatched outputs can confuse the window manager. Make sure to test Alt plus Tab after each change to isolate the cause. To finish, perform a clean boot to disable third-party services and see if Alt plus Tab returns. If it does, re-enable services in small groups to identify the culprit. If the problem persists, create a new user profile or roll back to a recent system restore point to undo troublesome changes. If all else fails, sign out or do a full reboot and make a note of any overlay or recording tool you were using. Troubleshooting tip. If Alt plus Tab only fails with one app, focus on disabling that app's overlay or GPU acceleration first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.